Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. This is Rakshit here. How are you doing? Ellaru hegidira? Yes, testing out the arrow link pipe. Just a beep. Maja ide guru. That puja is quite interesting. I'll tell you why. Keep watching. Huh? Let's go, boys. You see the difference? That's the difference. So one thing is for sure, once you take off the resonator box, it becomes more peppy. See, it's not only with the sound, but it gets little peppy when you ride. Not major difference. I think the difference would come in when I actually change the stock air filter to the BMC or any performance based air filter like K&N or whatever it is. I think that is roughly about approximately about I think 5,000-6,000 something, I guess. I think again it goes on the brand, which brand I'm gonna use. So based on that we'll take a call. See the difference, and I need to just be little cautious in the way that how does the mileage impact. So yeah, mileage is something that you need to look at. Also the problem is, right, once you have this sound you would end up blipping a lot, let's say like this and all. So that irritating thing of a biker inside you will just come out naturally. I would not say irritating, but I think the kid inside you. So this is about it, and that Booza is quite interesting. I'll tell you when I see the Booza, ride the Booza. So there's made some crazy mods. You won't even figure out how it is done, and we'll also not tell you how it is done. So just a heads up. Whatever it is, boys, the fun is Hassan Road. Every single time I come, I should have got my 6R. So with that, the cost of the pipe is about 14,000 and installation usually 500, but where I got it installed I think he charged too much, but there's always next time for both of us. That's still fine. It was just 3 bolts. If you have basic tools you can do it. I was lazy enough to do it, or else I usually do it by myself. Let's do U-turn, idiots. This is the fun, that latter sound. But I think it's a good investment. I don't think there's too much of weight difference because this is already a mammoth machine, like you already know. So with that, we'll ride. Maybe it may act little different when you actually put the 95 fuel octane. So I need to check what sort of a big difference it would make. So with that, let's keep rolling. If the quick shifter would have been more smoother, you can actually have more fun. But yeah, it is what it is. What are they doing? Triple riding with so many luggages. Not even 3-4. suddenly thinking why there's so much of wind blast. It is because of this one. The visor was open. Also, I did not actually put the cotton in my ear. So because of that, it becomes more. Need one more set of Mad Dog or something like this. Instead of spending so much money, 10,000 and 15,000 on that, you could actually go for the Baja designs. 35,000 one-time investment done, and you can carry over to any bikes, no? So that is the best part. If I get the Pioneers, I'm sure I can't go inside this. Let's wait for Tilak sir to join. ಏನ್ ಗುರು ಟ್ರಾಫಿಕ್ಕು ದೇವ್ರೇ ಚಿತಾಲ್ ಪತಾಲ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಟ್ರಾಫಿಕ್ಕು. This thing, so if you watch closely, the box is gone in my motorcycle. This is the link pipe of arrow. So it starts from here, it ends there. This is the heat shield, this is the pipe, and this thing. But world of a difference. And this also has lowered springs, so just a heads up. So when you open this up, but good sound. A long can, no? Because of the sound, this is vibrating. Indicators. Once it settles down, it will be calm. It will settle down even more. So with this, we'll hear this also. We'll let it warm up a bit. So this is the new updates, right? This is the tank bag, not tank bag, the crash cart bag. This is actually the Himalayan 450 wala tank bag. I just got it for this, just to make sure that I can carry some luggage. So basically you just open it up in this way, and then it opens up a lot of space here. 8 liters is what they claim, but I doubt it fits 8 liters. Something that we need to check out. It's a quite simple setup, you know. So this is about 3,000. This I have this side, and I also have it on the other side. And then the lights, basic lights. So yeah, looks like the engine is warmed up. Let's check how it sounds. Look at the But the best part is, right, this thing feels so peppy. So that's the best part about it. But now